Welcome my friend. In this video I'm going to teach you how to start meditation, fast and deep. Follow me. Today, we'll explore the essentials to help you start your meditation journey, beginning with the basics and applying also important and crucial steps. First, find a quiet and comfortable space where you won't be disturbed. This will help you concentrate and fully immerse yourself in the practice without any interruptions. Begin by sitting in a comfortable position. Your posture is crucial. Sit with your back straight to allow for easy breathing and energy flow. You can sit on a chair or cross-legged on the floor. You should slightly tilt your pelvis and open your chest. In the beginning, experiment with the angle of the tilt and the degree of chest opening. This will help you create a relaxed posture where your body can rest on the spine. The final step is to tuck in your chin slightly to complete the posture. Now, close your eyes to help minimize visual distractions and direct your focus inward. With your eyes closed, take a few deep breaths. Inhale slowly through your nose, at your own rhythm. This will begin the process of slowly going inward. As you breathe, be aware to the sensations of your body. Bring awareness to your entire body and the dark space before you. You are in the moment of truly a feeling of your being. Allow yourself to receive, listen to, or sense the subtle inner movements and sounds. You must receive them in a state of fluidity, avoiding grasping and rigidity. You are not hunting for sensations. Instead, you are allowing them to touch and surround you. In time, these experiences will become as real as daylight. During meditation, thoughts may arise. It's natural. Instead of engaging with them, acknowledge them and gently bring your focus back to your receiving sensations. Another important aspect, a relaxed body and minimal movement enhance the experience. A calmed body leads to a quieted mind, and a quieted mind allows you to journey even deeper within. When you're ready to end your session, slowly bring your attention back to your surroundings. Wiggle your fingers and toes, and gently open your eyes. You'll realize just how deep you were once your eyes are open. Remember, meditation is a daily practice that requires time. The more you practice, the more you'll recognize different states of mind, and the faster you'll be able to reach deeper ones. Take a moment to notice how you feel. Appreciate the calmness and clarity you've cultivated and transition back to your day, trying not to lose this sensation for as long as you can. To sum up, meditation is about maintaining proper posture, having a relaxed and still body, cultivating gentle awareness of your inner movements, sounds, or any other sensations, and embracing a mindset of discovery. With regular practice, you'll find greater peace, presence in your daily life and other mysterious surprises. See you soon.